morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It is September 20th and it is currently 7:21 a.m. So I'm excited. Today I figured it would be fun to show you guys what I eat in a day while I'm pregnant, while I'm living in an RV, using all RV kitchen appliances. Also, just so you know, the Instant Pot and the air fryer are my absolute best friends. Literally, I use them for everything. Not every day is the same, but this is just like a general concept of how I eat in a day. I most definitely don't miss no meals. And I like to say that I generally eat pretty healthy. I definitely have my sweet tooth. Okay, I'm pregnant and I'm having a baby girl and she craves the sweets, okay? If baby wants it, baby gets it. Currently, your girl is about to be 19 weeks pregnant in a couple of days. So yeah, that is what today's video is going to be. My nails are very ratchet in this video. I am so sorry. Next time they'll be glam. Also, the day I filmed this video was a super busy work day and I realized that I stayed in my pajamas all day until later that night. So love that for me. Don't judge, okay? Without any more rambling, let's just get on into the video. So we're gonna top off the morning with a delicious, delectable coffee cup filled with water. Live in an RV, and right now we're living off of these types of cups and this type of silverware. I'm gonna drink this with my vitamins, and then I'm also having a coffee straight from the coffee pot. My bougie coffee machine that I love so dearly has a bad filter. Regular drip pour coffee with a dairy-free hazelnut creamer on top. I like to froth it so it's nice and foamy and delectable. Starting off with my prenatals, I take 2 from Ritual every single morning. Throw it back, chug the water. Baby mamas, this your song. And I'm also taking a B6 supplement and a B12 supplement. Couple things I want to point out. First thing, I'm like a bottomless pit in the morning. I'm starving. I swear all I do is want to eat all morning long. Like, I'm so hungry. I am dairy free and I am pescatarian, so I don't eat dairy, I don't eat meat, but I do eat fish. So yeah, let's just go along in a day today of what I'm gonna be eating. I'm so excited. We have bacon, we have eggs, and we have what I like to call a spinach avocado bacon melt on a bagel. I normally would have fruit in the morning as well, but instead we're doing this cold pressed juice. It has apples, carrots, beets, ginger, limes, and spinach. Honestly, this gives me matcha vibes. It tastes very similar to matcha. Okay, and then this might sound weird, but just trust me, add honey mustard to this. Isn't it the best thing in the world when healthy tastes good? Get some light in here, even though it's raining. It's a casual 1:42 and I still haven't showered or got ready for the day. In my defense, I've been filming and working and doing stuff all morning. But I'm gonna eat my lunch and sit in my massage chair and get a massage and watch some YouTube videos. time, baby.
Belly growing.
So big.
Babe, your cooking has been unreal.
Let me put you on to the best, slightly healthy. I'm not gonna say healthy, but slightly healthy. Healthier than like pastries and ice cream and all that kind of stuff. I call it the Decadent Berry Chocolate Protein Bowl. Ugh, it's so good. I'm drooling. I think I'm gonna have one now and it's a couple days later. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed and got some ideas. If you guys recreate any of these recipes or if you try anything for yourself, make sure you tag me on Instagram. Show me what you make. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I love you all times a milli, Billy, Trilly, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.